In this video, I'm going to show you how to use by far the fastest and easiest Amazon FBA listing tool in the market, Boxem, which is officially live as of today. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to get started using Boxem and use it to manage your inventory and send products off to Amazon FBA a lot quicker for a fraction of the cost of other Amazon FBA listing tools. Let's jump inside my screen and show you guys the entire process. Super excited to share with you this tool, guys. We've been working on it for an entire year. Can't wait to show you guys. Let's get into it. All right, so we're here inside my screen, guys, in the Create Shipment page of Boxem. Boxem primarily right now is an Amazon FBA listing and shipment tool, specifically right here, although we got a lot of other features coming soon right here. So we can see right off the bat, we're in the Create Shipment page. This is actually how we're going to send products off to Amazon FBA. It's significantly easier than listing on Amazon Seller Central, which, let's face it, is incredibly confusing, or listing through old, outdated, clunky, and expensive listing softwares. It's not even close. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works here. So to start off, we want to name our shipment. We can do like Boxem test, for example, right here, July 2024, right? Fulfillment type, it's going to default to Amazon FBA right now. We are going to be adding Amazon FBA listing coming soon. Very soon. We can do our ship from address. A lot of people don't know that Amazon actually gets that, like, you're sending shipments out on vacation or sending shipments out from different locations from time to time, so you can customize the address as you want. Right here, you can create new ones as you need. Right here, so we can see we got Boxem office specifically right here. Shipment method, most of you guys for now are going to be using small parcel delivery, which is basically just normal boxes right there. Eventually, if you're becoming a bigger seller, you are going to send out pallets as well. Boxem does support LTL shipments, less than truckload shipments right there. Packing type, there's individual or case packed specifically. I like to do case packed for my shipments. And then seller labels or Amazon labels. So you can basically do the FNSKU labels yourself right here, or pay Amazon 55 cents, which is pretty expensive in my opinion. So personally, I like to do seller labels and print the FN SKU labels myself. And then you can do box contents, either Boxem provided, no box contents, and get charged 15 cents per unit. That makes it a little bit more confusing for Amazon. Or you can do 2D barcodes, which tend to make products check in quicker and make the process of actually listing products a little bit easier specifically. That is included with the more expensive Boxem plan that is very worth it. And if you do the annual plan, it's literally half of what other Amazon FBA 2D barcode listing tools charge for them. We do it for half the cost about, right? Then you can go ahead and actually print labels as you prep and box the products, which back in the day, using other tools, I would have to like label and write on each box, like, this is how much it weighs, this is what products are in it. Boxem, you can actually print the box labels as you do the FNSKU labels, which makes a hell of a lot more sense in terms of the shipment flow. So we make that so you can do it. You also don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can toggle off if you don't want to, but it makes it easier right there. So you don't have to go back from step 3 to actually label the products as you do it, right? Or label the boxes as you do it, right? Auto list pricing here is another great feature that we like on Boxem because we're actual sellers that do this. In general, to avoid price tanking, it makes a lot of sense to automatically list your products above the buy box. Specifically, you can customize how much you want to do that or not have it on and do each pricing you want as you want there, right? We are going to eventually add minimums and maximums when you're listing, as we hope to integrate with a lot of repricers. So let your favorite repricer know that you want a Boxem integration, right? And then you can also do custom SKUs to make tracking products a lot easier. So if you want to do like buy cost input, supplier input, date purchased input, it can make the process a lot easier of actually tracking where you got a product, when you listed it, and what you paid for that product specifically too. So now we can go ahead and create this shipment right here. Now we're on step 1 of the shipment flow, which is where you choose what product or products you're going to send off to Amazon. If you used other listing softwares, you know that a lot of them are really annoying and slow at looking up products. We can see how incredibly fast Boxem is. Right here, we can see, boom, automatically pop up right there. Makes the process way easier of creating SKUs. I'm going to personally type in this ASIN I have ready to roll right here, and then we just go ahead and see the sales rank and click create SKU right here. See the detail page that breaks down everything that goes into this product specifically. We can also see the offers and see the buy box right here, and we can go ahead and hit set this price if you want to do any of these pricing. I personally like to use autofill pricing like I showed you guys. So my price is automatically going to be 20% above the buy box or whatever you want to customize it to right there. Then you can do your buy cost input to track what you're paying specifically. We can go ahead and add how many you have, 20 units, case pack, 20 per case right there. Supplier input, we can go ahead and put JCPenney right there as well. And then our date purchase, depending on what that is. It's also easy to add a new supplier, as you should be adding new suppliers all the time. We can now see that custom SKU is adding in right here. So we can see our buy cost, what supplier we used, and when we are actually go ahead and date and purchasing that product, right? So this makes it a lot easier. This is what you do once you have the products in hand and are ready to send them off to Amazon specifically. Right there, you can change the condition if you're selling used items. Well, we can do the expiration date stuff right here. Then we just want to go ahead and add product. Another thing that Boxem lets you do, as we've seen that other shipment softwares don't let you do, is actually list new ASINs on the platform. Other softwares that actually cost a lot more than Boxem, you have to list the products on Amazon Seller Central and then wait for the products to load, which can take a couple hours in some cases. So it's very inefficient. So we wanted to make sure that Boxem is the best listing and shipment software. We made it so you can list new ASINs natively on the Boxem platform. So we just go ahead and click continue right here, then confirm and send the products off to Amazon, send that data over. We can see shipment name, where it's going, who's prepping it. We're doing seller labels with our own labels in this case, and then the destination, right? And then we just want to go ahead and hit confirm shipment right here. Then we're going to move this off to Amazon and head to step 3 right here. So now we're in step 3 where we're actually going to prep and label the products. Immediately, you can go ahead and print the F and SKU labels right here and get these guys to pop up. Those are going to be what you're going to put on the outside of the poly bag or over the barcode on the product, depending on what type of prep Amazon requires. We can see those are in there. We can customize the amount we want to print to. Now, on other Amazon listing softwares, you have to create each box and then manually drag the products over. There's no way to do the listing automatically. Boxem makes it way easier. We can just go ahead and hit bulk assign right here. And now we can go ahead and add multiple box types if we want. Right here, different sizing, etc. We're going to do just 5 units per box, 4 boxes here. Then we can customize the box size as we see fit, depending on what size your boxes are. Right here, oops, we can see right here, 10 ounces per box. We'll make it 20 by 15 by 10 right here. And instead of doing all that dragging and dropping, all we got to do is go here and hit print FBA box label. And now those FBA box labels are waiting for us with the sweet 2D barcodes as well that show the shipment name, the box contents, etc. The 2D barcodes tend to make your products check in quicker to Amazon, and they make the listing process go a lot quicker too. So we can go ahead and then we got the F and SKUs printed out, the FBA box labels printed out as well. You can redo those if you ever need to as well. And then we'll just go ahead and keep it moving, but substantially easier than just doing all that dragging and dropping like you have to on the other softwares that let you list on Amazon that cost a lot more than Boxem as well. And you can try Boxem completely free on our website, boxem.com too. So now we're sending this off to Amazon. Now what we have to do is hit accept shipping charges right here. We can reprint FBA box labels if we need to, reprint F and SKU labels if we need to as well. And then we just go ahead and hit print ship labels right here. And then we can see these guys go ahead and open up right there, which makes it nice and easy. And that's creating a shipment through Boxem, guys. It is a lot easier than other tools, a lot more simple. It's made by people that actually do this every day. We'll just go ahead and hit void shipment labels because obviously we're not going to send this shipment specifically. There's also some other really helpful sections of Boxem, including like your shipments tab. You can see the overview, create a shipment, your inventory tab to see what you have in stock. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys exactly what products I have in stock specifically, and a good dashboard of how everything works specifically with Boxem. Where you'll primarily be hanging out is in the shipment creation place right now on the website, and really appreciate you guys watching this video. This is a tool made by the community for the community. We want to hear feedback. We want to put in features that you guys want to have. We have a feature request on the website. We do live streams all the time. We love hanging out with our community. We're going to do meetups for Boxem in some different cities. We're going to as well. And you can try Boxem for $0 with a 2-week free trial today on our website, boxem.com. And I hope this tool was very helpful for you guys.